So this is verse number 65 from chapter Yunus, chapter number 10. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. So I will have to read the preceding one as well. Ala inna awliya Allahi la khawfun alayhim wa la hum yahzanun allazina amanu wa kanu yattaqun lahumul bushra fil hayatid dunya wa fil akhirah la tabdila li kalimatillah zalika huwal fawzul azim. The translation is, behold, the friends of Allah shall certainly have no fear, nor shall they grieve, those who believed and kept to righteousness. For them are glad tidings in the present life and also in the hereafter. There is no changing the words of Allah. That indeed is the supreme triumph.
Also, what is the significance of لا تبديل لكلمات الله?
What is the significance of the word لا تبديل لكلمات الله? There is no changing the words of Allah.
That is an expression of certainty about what is being said will have to happen. So here, this in fact is a prophecy about the ultimate victory of the Muslims over others. And fil akhirah does not only refer to the after death period, but in bil akhir, at last. So as such, this should be interpreted that God has promised them that they will have final victory over the non-believers if they stick to their message and if they are really God-fearing. And this is a promise of God which will not be broken. This must have happened, like l'aghlabanna, kataba Allahu l'aghlabanna ana wa rusuli, is a verse similar to that.